Hi class, and welcome to Biomimetic Design. This is week 1, lesson 1.1 of Biomimetic Design, which is MCAD SD 6601. Just to make sure we're all in the same spot, some of you are part of the Master of Arts in Sustainable Design online program, MCAD's SDO program, and some of you are taking this as an outside student. Welcome to all of you. So just for orientation, those of you who are in the Masters of Arts program, this is part of your summer electives you can take in your first summer. And for those of you outside the class, the summer electives are open to everyone, so I encourage you to look at what else might be available for you next summer at MCAD's SDO program. Oh, there it is, in case you didn't see it. My name is Denise DeLuca. I'm your instructor. Those letters after my name here, PE stands for Professional Engineer. I'm a licensed engineer, and my background's in civil engineering. Also a lead AP, an interest in green building. I'm teaching this class as adjunct faculty at, as part of the SDO program. I'm also co-founder and director of BCI, which is Biomimicry for Creative Innovation. I'm sure all of you have heard of biomimicry before, which is why you're taking this class. BCI applies the concepts of biomimicry to business and organizational practices and structures, and you'll hear more about those later. I'm also project lead with Swedish Biomimetics 3000. When I was living in the UK, I was an employee there, and now I'm working there as a contractor. So when you landed on the site, it'll look like something like this. If you haven't explored already, one of the first things you're going to do is enter Start Here and do the orientation, which is going to go here. It's not up on this particular page. So even if you've done the orientation exercise before, you're going to need to do it again. It's a good way to familiarize yourself again with MCAD's Blackboard online learning platform. If you've done it before, if you haven't done it before, it's a great way just to get oriented. And you get points for doing so, so you all should be doing it. Okay, so when you enter the classroom, again, you're going to land on this announcements page, and where you're going to be spending most of your time is right here on the weekly folder. So when you come in, you read the announcements, then you click on the weekly folder. Of course, this is week 1, so you click there and you go to week 1, and then that's how you'll get started. We'll make each week available on either the Sunday night or the Friday night before the week that you're actually supposed to be working on this class. We want everyone to stay together so you can't work ahead, but I recognize that many of you are very busy and you're going to do most of your work on weekends, so I'll give you the chance to get started on the weekend before the actual week of the class as well as the weekend after. You know, and before we get too far into it, I just want to say thank you for all of you guys for taking this class. Thank you because you're something of a hero, right? You're taking this class because you're interested in biomimetic design, you're interested in sustainable design, and you've committed resources, time and money to learning more about this. And I just can't thank you enough for really committing yourself to what lies ahead. And thank you for being so open-minded as to learn from critters like this. This whole 10-week course, we're going to be learning from any number of different organisms, which you're going to be exploring. And that takes a certain amount of open-mindedness to look at these guys as your mentors for lessons about how to do sustainable design. So thank you for that. Okay, with that, we'll keep it short to spend less than 5 minutes here. And I hope you have a good experience in your orientation if you haven't done it already, and we'll see you in the next video.